Today I am going to share you the full details of how I drew this Ulaganayakan Kamal sir drawing. The same techniques and tips I used will be very useful for any portrait, so don't skip the video. First, let's see the outline drawing. For the outline, we can use the grid method. Basically, grid methods can help you to get more perfect outline drawing, which leads to you as a professional artist. The basic materials I used to draw outlines are A4 size Bristol Ultra Smooth paper, HB pencil and erasers and ruler. Draw all the details in the outline itself, then only we can create a more realistic drawing. I recommend you to follow grid method. Yes, there is your calculations and also we have to draw boxes, we have to erase a lot of things. There are several types of outline drawing methods. Every method has its pros and cons. So choose the best one which will give you the more perfect result, that is more important. In this drawing, there are 7 boxes in the width and 10 boxes in the height, and each boxes are in 2.5 cm. Rush to complete the outline. Draw all the outlines perfectly as much as you can. Don't hesitate to erase the wrong portions, correct all details until you get a perfect result. You can start coloring once you are happy with your outline drawing. We can start coloring from the hair, and the colors used for the drawings are black, brown and grey. Each hair drawing differs from portrait to portrait. For white hair, I am using the indenting tool. We can use indenting tool wherever we can see the white hairs in the reference photo. And also we have to follow the directions of the white hairs with reference photo. Now we can color with grey, brown and black colors on the area marked with the indenting tool. I always prefer coloring the portion little by little. That is easier when compared to coloring whole area instantly, so that we can make more detail accurately. All we need to follow these procedures. We have to check colors in the hair and where is the shining is visible in the hair. Then we have to color from light to dark colors because coloring with a light color on the dark color is difficult. In this hair drawing, there are a lot of white hairs. For white hairs, I am using the indenting tool. You can also use empty refill pen or white pencil for indenting method. Other than indenting method, you can use a hobby knife or white gel pen for white hair. We can't draw each hair exactly, but we can follow the different colors, patterns and directions to get a similar result. When you notice the hair is buffed on the front side. For that, we have to color the hair in a different direction for the front side and back side. The different directions only give the separate look to the buffed hairs and backside hairs. Try to draw with more details to get a good result. We can make separate large hair tutorial, but I tried to see the hair techniques in a short way. Next, we can see the coloring of the forehead portion. First, let's observe the colors in the forehead portion. There are skin color and very mild tones of pink, orange and light brown. And also there are some white portions which are highlighted area. In this forehead, first we have to give base layer with skin color. When we apply base layer, we have to color the colors layer by layer, and also we should try even tone. If your base layer is uneven, then you cannot mix the next layers of colors properly. Now we have to draw the hairs on the forehead. It's very important to merge the hair portion and forehead. Every realistic drawing, there are highlight, shadows and mid-tone. Forehead, some of the area in mild orange, some of the area are in pink. This orange and pink colors are mid-tones. Blend all the colors with skin color. For the dark areas, I am using light brown and grey, which are shadows. And also there are some wrinkles in the skin tone. For that, we can draw very mild lines with light brown color. These wrinkles give the whole natural structure to the forehead portion. Also concentrate on pencil pressure when you draw lines. We have to look very deeply to see the very mild color changes is in the skin portion, because the color changes only give the curves to the forehead. For the highlighted area, I am using a white gel pen to put white dots. Using a pink color and skin color on the white gel pen to reduce the white color for a natural look. Finally, I am using the orange color to get accurate final shades. ear portion, we can use skin color light orange and dark orange. Next, I am coloring the hair portion near to the ear with indenting tool, grey color and black color. Eyebrows using skin color for the base layer. Black color for eyebrow hairs using white gel pen for white reflections. Add more layers to get the desired darkness and keep concentrate in the directions also for every layer. Now let's color the area above the eye. It has many wrinkles. For that we can use skin color light brown and dark brown. Try to match all wrinkle portion with reference. That is the more beauty of realistic drawing. Pupil we can use black, and for the iris we can use brown and black color. For the white portion of the eye I am using skin color light blue color, and for nerves we can use red color. If you want more detail about eye drawing, I have made a separate tutorial in my previous video. That link is given in the description. The lower lid look like reddish, so we can use colors to give the reddish look with light brown, pink and red color. Always try to get a good quality picture. Eyes have a lot of minute details. A good quality picture is a key for good detailed art. Using some grey color on the side of the face for a darker shade. Use white gel pen for all the highlight points. Cheeks area is similar to the forehead portion like base layer with skin color, and for different tones orange, pink, light brown. Light brown for wrinkles, white gel pen for highlight. Now we can correct the eye portion with reference. The nose, the two dark edges we can color with skin color, grey and light brown. Now we can use black and brown color for the shadow of the nose. For the center of the nose, we can use skin color for the base layer, and also we can use orange and pink very mild. For the highlighted area, I am leaving some portion as white, and also I use the white gel pen. wrinkles between the nose and forehead, we can use a light brown color. We can draw eye and cheek portion similar to the other side. I'm using DAM Super Soft Color Pencil. It's a wax based 24 color set. If you are searching for a good quality color pencil, I will recommend you to use this pencil set. This wax based pencil allows you to use materials like indenting tool, hobby knife, liquid pencil blenders, and also it will give a smooth and shiny output. Now let's color for the beard. For the beard, first I am using the indenting tool for the white hair. Decide where you have to indent with the reference photo and also follow the directions of the hair flow. In beard, some of the area skin portions are visible. For that area, you have to give base layer of skin tone. And for darker area, we have to give brown color, then we have to draw black color lines for hair. Now we can use black and brown color for the shadow of the nose. For drawing the mustache, first I am using the skin color for the area skin portion is visible through the mustache. Now I mark the area with a black color pencil. Now we can use a brown color for the darker shade of the skin tone. Now we can draw the mustache with many layers of black color lines. Now we can use a white gel pen for shiny reflection of the mustache. For the lips, first I am using the pink color for the base layer. For the lines on the lips, we can use red color. Now we can use a white gel pen for the highlight. I'm using skin color and light brown color for the darker shades on the lips. The beard portion under the lips is similar to the other hair portion, but the chin area is visible through this beard. So you have to draw the skin portion for the complete face structure. Now we can color the other side of the ear. This ear is not similar to the other ear. For this ear, first we can give skin color for the base layer. Then we can use dark brown, black, orange, light brown as per the reference. Now let's see the coloring of the nail. For the outline of the nail, I am using a light brown color. This is yellow color. Now we can use black color to darken the outer portion of the hand. Now we can color the nail with skin color, white color, pink and brown. Lastly, we can use a white gel pen. We have used different colors for this nail to get the correct curve and shiny look. For hand and fingers, we can use skin color, pink, light brown, dark brown, white, orange. For lines on the hand, we can use light brown and dark brown too. Highlighted area we can use white gel pen, and also there is little visible hairs in the finger. For that we have to draw hair with black color with very mild pressure, and also I used green color for some shadows. Shade all the nerves portion correctly with reference. Also follow the skin structure drawing. Now we can color the dress. For that, first I am using dark brown for the dark areas. Then we can apply light brown. Finally, you can use dark yellow color. In the dress, we can see I didn't blend pencil very much because without blending, the pencil shading gives the look of texture of the dress. For black color portion, I am using black directly with high pressure. For the white shirt, I am using grey, light blue for the shadows. Also using white gel pen for white lines. For the orange portion of the dress, I am using yellow, light orange, dark orange and red color. Now for the background, I am using black color with heavy pressure to get full dark black tone. And also you have to be very careful, you should not cross the inside drawing. Okay, this is the drawing techniques I used for this Uluganayakan Kamal sir drawing. And 7th November is his birthday. So this is my tribute to Padma Shri Kamal Haasan sir. Hope you all like this tutorial. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.